You're not a professional if you shoot weddings. If you're a wedding photographer or filmmaker, you've probably heard this phrase before. When I hear it, I usually have one of two reactions. You're right, I suck, and I'm worthless because, you shoot for Nike, and I just have a wide brim hat and photograph grandmas at reception halls. How dare you? Outside of a business's quarterly campaign, how long are your images going to last? Or make people well up with emotion, remember what's most important, or remember the people that might not be here anymore? Okay, obviously both reactions are a bit too extreme. And honestly, in this video, I want to be fully transparent and let you know all of my thoughts and feelings on this subject, which is why I don't want to try to perform it and deliver it to camera perfectly. I wrote all of the thoughts on my phone. I'm just going to read them off my phone and share them with you. I just want to put it out there that photographing and filming weddings is meaningful, impactful work. Please don't let anyone belittle you as an artist or a professional because you shoot weddings. I'm not advocating for arguing with those people. All I mean is look within yourself and know what the work truly means. And when you do, you won't be affected by callous words. Honestly, when most people ask, when are you getting out of weddings, they don't mean it as an insult or to be callous. They just might not have the same philosophical perspective that you have. People ask me this regularly these days, when are you getting out of weddings? And although I don't shoot nearly as many weddings as I used to, and my business is diversified with a handful of other things, I still respond with, I can't see myself getting out of weddings anytime soon. I love the experiences too much. Do I get the feeling of existential dread for prepping for a 10-hour day, knowing that my introverted self has to be extroverted, pumping up everyone around me and making them feel like rock stars all day? Yes. And I can see why that feeling deters people from wanting to do that. But every time I'm 15 minutes into a 10-hour day, it all goes away. And I remember how important it is to show up for my clients. Sure, you may have shot dozens, even hundreds of weddings, but they've, meaning your clients and their families and their wedding party, they have probably only been invited to the most intimate parts of a wedding 1 to 3 times in their lives. And these experiences are wholly unique to them, although they might feel repetitive to you. But if you can truly empathize with their excitement, their passion for the moment, what that day means to them and the legacy for their family, all the anxiety and perceived monotony can wash away. The images, still or moving, or even the audio you capture as a filmmaker and what that means to your clients for years, even decades removed from this event, it's literally priceless for some. And if they line up with that philosophy that you have, that's where true magic can happen. The beautiful part about all of this is that we can sustain ourselves as creatives and entrepreneurs if we pour ourselves into this type of work. And I built my YouTube channel as an overflow of the excitement I've gained over the years, sharing the process of growing a business like this while still having the insane connections with my clients. Ultimately becoming a feedback loop of marketing, referrals, and diversification of my own business into education, commercial work, and more. But I still shoot weddings. I set out to make this video so I could share that my wedding photography and filmmaking course, The Classroom, is available for enrollment again. And we first launched this course in the fall of 2021 and left enrollment open for a week, and we did the same again for summer of 2022. But now it's open for enrollment indefinitely. You could enroll at any time. To be perfectly transparent, I'm realizing that that's what I've wanted all along, to just leave enrollment always open, to leave this accessible to everyone and anyone. I want students to know that they can save up for it and enroll whenever they want and not have to wait for some obligatory random time when I open it up for a week, but to celebrate the classroom going evergreen for the rest of this week into Monday, July 17th. I'm running the biggest discounts I ever have on this course, with $600 off the bundle, both photo and video, with the code SAVE600, and $400 off either solo course, either photo or video, with the code SAVE400. It's my goal to make these launch weeks and marketing campaigns for this course as helpful as possible to literally everyone. So if you're not at a place where you can financially invest in this thing, please indulge in all the free stuff on YouTube and the free module within the course. But if you're ready to jump into this thing and lean into that philosophy and prove that this line of work can be sustainable, fulfilling, and profitable, I would love to have you in the classroom. If you've been staring at this thing for months or even years, this is the best price you're ever going to see on it. Whether that's a sign for you or not, I'll let you make that decision. If I can get you to book just one more wedding that you wouldn't have otherwise, this course will pay for itself. And if you're looking at this and saying, I can build this whole career without investing in this type of online education, I agree with you. I also think you can. I did. So I just made the classroom to give my unique experience in business building, technical photo and filmmaking skills, marketing, and philosophy all in one place to expedite the process and get people to full-time as fast as possible. I love you all. If you're still here, thank you for listening to my rant. The classroom has literally changed my life in ways that I can't even explain, honestly. And I know it's really changed the lives of a lot of students within the course. So yeah, again, thank you for staying to the end of this. I know it's a very weird YouTube video, but I just want to share like how passionate I am about this thing and how much I think it could impact you if you want to enroll in it. It's not just that technical course that's sold across the internet that just teaches you all of the things and Instagram and Facebook ads and all that, but it really gets at the heart of this work and how not to burn out from it 3 to 5 years down the road once you're full time. So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I'll try to get to as many as I can. Shoot me a DM on Instagram if you have any questions about the classroom, or send me an email at ericfloberg@gmail.com. I love you all, and I hope to see you in the classroom. Steven made this, and I love it a lot.